Well, hello everyone. I'm not sure what's in this. I wasn't expecting anything, but uh, let's open some mail. Uh, and if you're looking in the backgrounds, please pardon the mess. You caught me mid build. We're actually working on a little certain old Ford pickup right now with with a cool motor that I can't wait to have foggy detail. So uh, there's crap laying all over our house. Uh, yeah, let's dig in here. Maybe we really didn't want this stuff to come out. Oh well, actually we can't. I know where this one came from, and this one can't be on video. No. We're gonna blur all that. So we'll try this again. Hello, everyone. I'm not sure. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is. Oh, it's from Lars. These are my mag pans. I'm so excited about these stupid mag pans. Hell. These things are so useful. Thank you so much, Lars. I appreciate it. Uh, you guys down there at JB's shop are awesome. Uh, let's see what's in the next one. This one seems very light. I'm not sure what could be in it. All it says is Postal Plus. It doesn't say anything else. Just from North Carolina. Oh, cool! It's another little box. Is that a? That's a rattle can spray head.
Mm-hmm. Somebody's tired of seeing you do it with your hand.
I think so. Somebody's sick of watching the. Yeah.
That's cool.
That is neat. That's a hell of an idea. Whoever sent that. Thank you. I wonder what's in here. Is it just a bunch of packing peanuts and okay, nothing else. This looks like a die cast. Oh, it's the Corvair. Look at that. Yay. Man, a Tootsie Toy Corvair. I know exactly who that's for. That's killer. Yeah, we got to design a full interior for that one. So,
Cool.
yeah, that's going to be a challenge.
It'll be fun though.
Mm-hmm. That'll be our first Paul Restorer type restoration on the channel. Very cool. Okay, well, hopefully we can find a way to edit this and get her done for you. Peace.